I've downloaded both the Python and the script foo, LayerFX versions, so we can compare them. And we'll look at the Python version first, and I'm going to open a terminal. Everything's going to be done in a terminal initially. So first of all, I need to change CD to the downloads, and a tab key will auto-complete. And if I just list those, you can see that just the two zip files initially. So I need to unzip one of them, the Python version, so it's a LayerFX. Tab to complete. And I get the Python version unpacked. List them and you can see the extra file there. Now I need to change the permissions. Give this chmod u plus x, and then that LayerFX -2.10 .py Python plugin, and that's it. So I can close my terminal now and look at moving that into the Gimp folder. Now, where is this for anybody who hasn't done this before? In Gimp, edit preferences. In the Mac, it's just in there, preferences. Bottom of the list of folders. I can expand the folders and look in my plugins, and that is where I would put my plugins. Scripts, very similar place. That's the plugins. So close Gimp down. If you add a new plugin, first time you add it, you need to restart Gimp to register the plugin. So first of all, find my Gimp plugins folder. Look at it, there's my Gimp 210. There's the plugins. Already got a few plugins here. So I need to put in from my downloads that Python plugin into my Gimp plugins folder. There it is, it's added. If I start Gimp up, add a file, get a little bit out. Remember, this is called LayerFX for a reason. Works on layers, in particular transparent layers, and it looks like that. Bottom of the layer menu. You need to set a few sizes. OK that. And the bevel option gives you a beveled image. What about the script foo? Well, it's easier here. I'm just going to click on this to unpack it. That's the way you'd normally do it. And that needs to go in my scripts folder. So if I look in my scripts folder, in this case it's empty. I don't have any scripts. So we'll add the script. Close that down. And close that down. Start Gimp up. There again, I've added a layer with transparency. Which one can we use? We'll try that one. That particular filter looks like that. Run it, and it gives that sort of